Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are good. Welcome to Just a Girly. So today I am vlogging. Today we're gonna buy some groceries. Yay! Hey beautiful people, I am Lebohang Msimango and welcome to Just a Girly. You can follow me on all these following platforms and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hi guys, welcome to Just a Girly. I am vlogging at last. Today we're gonna buy some groceries. So yeah, it's late now. I think it's around 4-ish. But yeah, the Pick and Pay here closes at 8. So yeah, we're gonna buy some groceries for the house and we're going to fetch the van from Springs. They were servicing it. So yeah, oh guys, the sun. Asambedi wa fit. Batung. Guys, I'm having a burger. We bought this Locan. We went when we went to check on the van. Bought it at Springs. We don't have Burger King here. I don't know what these burgers are called. So yeah, that is what I'm having because I'm so hungry. Yesterday we were out watching football and we lost. But no, DNA is just opposite. Hi guys, we're here to buy some Red Bulls. Ngoba siyagoa, and we decided to do the groceries ShopRite because again pay is not budget friendly. Send me also got some Red Bull. Oh no. Hi guys, so we are here now. But you must buy the groceries. My air fry. 109, 110 rand. Calculators out, please. Oh no. Guys, that's special. I never did anything for you. Butayini. Sizokrosa la wena. Guys, amafuta ayadura. Oh hell no. Oh wow. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing. Oh guys, I had the most hectic, emotionally draining day. Someone almost scammed me. Well, they kind of did, but because Mina Yazulwen, I really fight for myself.
I reported their accounts, I made them trend, and their account was taken down. So now I'm waiting for it to be taken down on, what do you call this on WhatsApp? I don't want this person scamming anyone else. But by the grace of God, I got some of my money back, and this person's accounts are down. So that's a win. But it was so draining. Yo, that's why I'm doing this video now at night, because steak. Guys, I have so much sandbox. Like, wow. Kuningi. Okay, guys, we're gonna start with this. Let me be on my knees. We're gonna start with this. It's a wig. I got it from Beauty by Renee. It's a human blended wig. What a beautiful service. Oh, oh, oh. I'm excited. Okay. Oh no. It comes with this card. Oh, there's instructions on how to care for the wig. Oh wow. Oh, hello, woman. Woo! Yes! This is what I want. I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna install this tomorrow. Oh, guys. Yeah, no, it's on. This is my first unboxing. Okay, second one. I got this from Little Beauty. It's a gym set. Oh, look. Ipuma with this cutie pie that I'm gonna put in my bag. Okay. I love the packaging so much. Okay, I have these tights, but these ones cleanly. And it comes with this. Oh, it has a zip. This is cute. I like. Oh, no, my guys, I'm gonna show my oh, now. This is for my business. I started what do you call it? Guys, we can check it. Is that record? Yeah. Okay, so I started a business. I haven't launched it, but I'm doing foot scrubs and pedis and minis, but plain things only. Because I know how to do nails, because I once went to school. Not really school, but you know, a professional nail tech. Well, you know, I'm funding students because I can't. This was back in 2021. Too. I don't remember. So I bought this from Take a Lot. It's a foot scrub, heel balm, and foot soap. And then I got the utensils, the scrub, the brush. Oh, this is good. It's a 10-piece pedicure tool set. This is good. So this is for the foot massages and foot scrubs. I also have a foot scrub machine, yes, that my sister got for me. It's the one from Sobeys. This I got from Blink Girl. I got this from Blink Girl. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Yo. Bye. They package the tape so tightly, so tightly. But I like that. It just shows that they take our packaging seriously. Yeah. Creamy. As long as I'm saying I am not doing because I'm not going to but live. Yeah, yeah. They packaged it so tightly. So tightly. Okay, so, ooh, okay. My dad got me this. He sponsored my business. See, guys, my family sponsors me for things that I want to do. So this is a LED UV lamp. And yeah, man. I love it. It's a 2-in-1 LED UV lamp. Hey, got the map box, so I'm going to show you manj. And then this is a set from Blink Girl. Ang sassy. What shall I do? What shall I do? Guys, I'm literally on my knees on my bed. Okay? Okay. I'm not gonna open these today, guys. Because like I'm fully scattered. But these are the gels. And you know there wasn't like an option when I ordered online. And like the colors had numbers and I wrote the colors down. And these are the colors they actually put in. The ones that I wrote down. And then, oh, this is for protection. We have our buffer. We have, I don't know what this is called, but it is for cleaning the nails, cleaning the brushes, more buffers, cuticle oil. We have tips. In there. Ooh, it's a bag. It's a cute nail bag. We have our toe separator. We have nail wipes. Blink Girl, my babe. We have the tip cutter. We have filers. We have nail glue. Guys, everything is gonna soak off. Ooh, I'm so excited. And we have more filers. And we have the area cleaner. Oh wow, Blink Girl outdid themselves, hey? Especially in that. Guys, this was my unboxing video. And these are all the packages that I've received like from last week till this week. And I'm gonna launch my business next week. I'm gonna start doing my own nails and then my nieces. And yeah, guys, Zonona on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my unboxing video. Yeah, no. This cheered me up. I was in a very bad mood and this cheered me up. The power of retail therapy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And yeah, more will follow on the next video. Bye.